Camera and action. Little memory lane, remembering the times when I used to work here, and a lot of things happened, a lot of memories with good people, and just checking it out. Looks a little more different, but nicely looking, well kept, still the same in some way, right? Let me show you more. Give you another shot there of the Westin Hotel. Skylines there. They get to view the ocean. The beach is literally on that side. And ooh, this is new. Like a giant giraffe inside, huh? A giant giraffe. It's a beautiful day out here in Long Beach, I'll tell you, and just bring me nostalgia memories of the good times that I spent here, and so many years that and hours I put into this place, working hourly, overtime, and part of me does miss it a lot. I really like the image that Long Beach gives with the buildings and the beach side like next to it. The Pacific Ballroom. What do we have here? This is the Beverly O'Neill Theater. I don't know if you can see inside there, but you can probably see a little bit outside. There's really elegant rooms in this place. Well, here's a little bit of image of that. Keep on walking. Right there we have the famous building. It's called Breakers. Well, they put Breakers, but it's not really Breakers. I don't know the name of the building now, but it changed a lot. It was remodeled heavily. Like some other buildings here, turning them into actual hotels from being businesses and stuff. But you got the Marriott over there, and behind it is that old building right there, this little brown one. You sure right, that one there. Very old school, probably residential or banking, I'm not really sure. And steer here at the theater area. Let me go on the other side real quick. And we have there the new pedestrian bridge they built not long ago to cross over to the ocean side, not ocean, Pine Avenue, which is over there with the bridge where a bunch of weed hanging out to it. It's very, very easy if you're going to movies or whatever. You know, you walk there quicker, get there faster. That painting right there sticks to me a lot. More artwork on the sides of those elevator buildings. This is Seaside Road or Seaside Street Boulevard. I forgot exactly the name. I'll look it up right now in a bit. And when the Grand Prix happens, this is where they run through. This is one of the areas where they actually run, and everything's covering the side, and the Grand Prix takes place all around downtown Long Beach. Let's check out more further down there. And from another angle view, there's the arena. Just to let you know, that's not the aquarium, that's an actual arena. If you ever get confused here in Long Beach, that's not the aquarium, it's the arena. Alright. here's another scenic area view, a better view actually of the arena. And we have the coast down there. Let me show it more. Okay, actually focused. There we go. Way down there. Hopefully you could catch it on this camera. Let me try to do a little focus, see if I can. There you go. That's the city coast. Little islands over there. Hold up. There you go. Clear spot with the oil drilling. Where's the rigs at? There you go, offshore. Trading islands. It's a art right here. That's cool. I'm probably gonna check it out from front. Alright, so we have this piece of artwork. So, quite hell of a piece, I'll tell you. Oh, dope. Oh, that looks cool. I'm telling you, they've been hooking it up with the artwork out here. Hopefully there's one down here. Sadly, the elevator didn't work for me, so another piece over there. And the other side is another one on that wall over there. I'll try to hit to that one a bit. There you go. Let's go check it out. There it is. Looks pretty cool from here. Oh, I see where we're going. It's a bigger deal with this one. Go. That's a nice artwork. Good drawing on here. A lot of artists in Long Beach. Going out today for a walk. I'm taking my sister-in-law to get her paycheck and give me an opportunity to walk here in Long Beach again in downtown with a beautiful day, beautiful breeze, beautiful sunshine. I mean, it's worth it, and it's so relaxing. It's a very good day to be out on a good old Friday. Anyways, thank you so much for watching.